birther movement. I mean, the notion that
You're saying
somehow
Hillary
Barack Obama
Clinton
was a
is to
secret
blame
agent.
for
Those
the
things came out of the
You're saying Hillary Clinton is to
those
blame
things
for the
came out
birther
of the
movement?
2008 very ugly Democratic primary that went on their side that lasted until June.
Well, Borges is right. The birther movement. The Obama is not an American. The Obama was born in Kenya movement was started by the Hillary campaign in 2008. And she didn't know it. Did you hear the shock in her voice? Here, there's one more bite as she continues to react